Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startup across our country. Let me tell you one thing, experience is the best teacher. So let's know more about such wonderful experiences from various CEOs and founders of incredible startups. But the question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you're a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview if you want to know the merits and demerits of starting a fresh new business. So let's jump into the interview. For today's interview, we have Mr. Arpit with us, who is the CEO and founder of Make It Simple, which is an online marketplace for design and development services. Serving with quality is their constant goal to achieve. Working with Make It Simple, you can hustle free with all your digital design services. They provide services for developing 2D, 3D, print graphics, corporate graphic, multimedia design, video production, documentary films, corporate videos, UI UX design, social media marketing, online promotion and many more. So let's know more about this multitasking startup. Hello, good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you, Modani.
Yes. Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Thanks for the opportunity, first of all. And I'm Arpit Shrivastava. I'm CEO and founder of Make It Simple. And we are a designing based company in Bangalore. And we are a subscription based company. We give designing stuff to the B2B.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
Actually, in my I have experience of 4 or 5 years in designing industry, and I have worked in lots of companies. When I worked with them, at that point of time, I realized there are problems that companies are facing, and those problems are they don't have a specific designing team for them, and if they want to hire the designing team, their cost and budget is very low for that. So we come up with the idea with my team. So we'll provide them a subscription, and in that subscription we'll give them a team.
Okay.
Where they can give us unlimited work, like they'll hire an employee and all. So we give them a team, and that team will work for them specifically.
Okay. So my next question is that what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the journey?
The most difficult part was building a team.
Okay.
Because if your team is good, then all the hurdles is very easy for you. So initially creating a team or building a team is the most difficult part for me, because the work what we are doing, it should be a creative thing. So yeah, that was the most difficult part. But yeah,
okay. So what was the market gap that you identified before commencement?
Okay, so when I saw the companies, and when I go and done the research and all about that, so I saw this is the problem with every company. They have a very tight budget, and because of that they are not able to hire a whole team for them, and the quality of work what they are getting from their employees, because when they hire someone that almost freshers and all, so because of that they are not getting the quality, and they're spending lot of money in that also, and their employees are not experienced or. So we thought we should give a subscription to them, so where when they'll buy a subscription from us, they'll get a whole team, and from that we'll give them a quality work, because our team is experienced team.
Mhm.
They are not freshers and all. So we are like giving them a experienced type of work and all, a
Mhm.
professional work. So like they are getting very cost efficient work in like in a very good quality.
Okay. So what is your business model? Can you explain your business model in detail?
Yeah, actually we are specifically B2B business model. Like we specifically provide business to business.
Mhm.
The entire, like if a startup like our business model is specifically, if I'll say, we for like startups only.
Mhm.
uh, if a startup, like startups have very tight fundings and all,
Mhm.
so like we give them a designing like team and all, so we they can like if I'll say reduce their pressures on
Mhm.
working. If they'll provide us the whole work and all, so it reduces their pressures also.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. So what are exactly your products and services that you deliver to your customers?
Okay, so our, like we have lots of services what we provide.
Mhm.
It's like 2D animation, 3D animation,
Mhm.
digital marketing, and
Mhm.
graphic designing, video editing, motion graphics. But all these stuffs, our main USP is like what the subscription we provide, as
Mhm.
well as 3D thing. We provide product modeling and
Okay.
product videos, ad videos, those
Mhm.
type of stuff. So yeah, we provide, these are our USPs.
Mhm. Okay. As you said, you are an online business. So I want to know that who exactly your target customers are.
Our target customer is like businesses for now,
Mhm.
like the businesses who are facing the issues related to designing and all, because
Mhm.
in this, like in today's world, if you go, every business needs a designing entity.
Of course.
So like they want to create an entity on like designing platforms and all, and if you
Mhm.
are not getting the like quality work and all, so that will be like very bad for the businesses.
Mhm.
So like we provide them a uh, specific thing, like we boost their entities and all.
Mhm.
So yeah, we are helping in them.
Okay. Sir, as per my knowledge, there are other website out there who does the same work. So I want to know that as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over your competitors?
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, the more like most important thing, quality is the one of the thing what we
Mhm.
always focused on.
Mhm.
Like we always focus on the quality. If the customer is not satisfied,
Mhm.
we like keep working on the same project. Like if until unless the customer is not satisfied, we
Mhm.
give them the quality. Or
Okay.
like, and the second thing is like if a customer gives something, and like if don't we don't know that particular thing at that point of time, we
Mhm.
learn that things, and we do them for, like we do it for them.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
these are the steps, like yeah.
So what are what are these two or three unique features about your company that differs you from others?
Yeah, the most important thing is my team. First thing, like
Mhm.
my team, if I have listened this, like if you have a like a B grade plan with a
Mhm.
A grade team, is better than like A grade plan with a B grade team. So
Okay.
yeah, I have a very good team. This like this makes me like very good from others. First of thing,
Mhm.
like they absorb all the pressures and all. So yeah, they
Mhm.
provide me like good quality of work, so I can go and market myself and all.
Mhm.
And the rest of thing, like risk taking, we like we used to like do stuffs what customers want, and what people gonna attract from.
Mhm.
So yeah, these are the stuffs what we work.
Okay. So talking about team, I want to know that if there is a job applicant out there, so why he or she should choose to work with you?
Okay, so I invite them first, definitely we give them, our employees, a space.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we give them a space to learn new stuffs and all,
Mm-hmm.
so they can grow, because if they'll grow, definitely they'll help us to grow in our
Mm-hmm.
business.
Okay. Sir, as you mentioned earlier, you are a young entrepreneur. So I want to know that if not this company, what else you would be doing right now?
Definitely it will be related to designing only, because from my childhood only, I'm interested in designing and animation stuff. So
Mhm.
if this will not be happen, then definitely I will be the designer or animator.
Okay. So my next question is that what are those products and services you are in daily touch with that helps you to run your business smoothly?
Graphic designing and motion graphic are the most, and video editing, these are the most important, or services
Mm-hmm.
what we deal with in our daily basis,
Mm-hmm.
and it helps us to work smoothly in the industry.
Okay. On what parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers? So is it price? Is it quality, convenience? Please elaborate.
like we provide, if I'll tell you a simple basic, like
Mm-hmm.
we provide them a subscription.
Mm-hmm.
In that subscription, unlimited work we give them. Like, if they buy a graphic designing package from us or subscription from us, so entire month they'll get whatever they are expecting, and whatever their works in graphic designing,
Mm-hmm.
they'll get from us.
Okay.
And it will be unlimited. and
Okay.
and we provide 1 week trials for them to
Mm-hmm.
understand what type of work we do,
Mm-hmm.
or how it's efficient for them also.
Okay. So what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
Right now, we are trying to expand this business in Bangalore,
Okay.
and after that we'll expand this in all other states and cities.
Okay. So basically you have an expansion plan.
Yeah.
Okay. So my next question is based on that are you planning to raise external funds? And if not now, then are you planning to do so in near future?
Yeah, actually, we are finding investors and all, because right now we are expanding very fastly and all. So definitely we are looking for the investors and all, who can join us and help us to grow along with them. So yeah, we are finding investors.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, sir, wrapping up this session, I would love to know feedback on startup lanes, and also if you want to thank or appreciate someone from your team or friends and family, then please go ahead.
First of all, yeah, thank you, Startup Lens, to give me this opportunity to
Mhm.
tell me about my company and me, definitely. And then my parents, because they supported me in this venture and all. In my entire family, there is no entrepreneur or any businessman, so they supported me. Yeah, go for your dream, and if you want to start your business, you can start. And the last but not the least, my team only, they supported me in each and every step, how we are going and whatever we are doing right now. They help a lot. So yeah, my team also in that.
Great. Sir, also thanks to you. Thank you for your time and for your crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you.